No hacker has ever said, time to breach a Fortune 500, let me just open Xcode. It doesn't happen. You ever tried running Burp Suite on a MacBook Air? The fan sounds like it's mining Bitcoin and trying to take off at the same time. macOS is great for editing coffee shop B-roll, not for bypassing firewalls at 3 a.m. And yes, I know what you're thinking. But bro, didn't you already roast Windows? Absolutely, we made an entire video exposing why Windows is basically a boss fight before the actual hacking even begins. So now, it's only fair we shift our aggression to the other side of the fruit stand. Welcome to macOS, the hacker's final boss. And if this video makes you laugh, learn, or question your life choices as a Mac user, go ahead and share it with someone who still thinks macOS is secure because it's based on Unix. Help me hack the algorithm. So let's break this myth once and for all. People assume hackers use Mac because it's more secure, or it has less malware. That's like saying you should train for war in a padded room because there are fewer bullets. The reason macOS gets fewer viruses is because nobody's targeting it. It's like being the healthiest item in a vending machine. You win, but also, do you? Here's the truth. macOS is not built for hackers. Try running a custom payload and Gatekeeper will slap you so hard, you'll start reconsidering your career. Want to disable SIP? Hope you enjoy booting into recovery mode like it's 2007. Oh, and trying to compile tools from GitHub? That's cute, until you spend 2 hours figuring out why Homebrew broke your Python install again. And don't even try touching the kernel. Apple doesn't just lock the doors, it sets the entire hallway on fire. Real hacker workflows are dirty, fast, and need zero friction. You're SSHing into random boxes, analyzing memory dumps, building exploits from 2004 with no documentation. macOS, it just wants you to sip a matcha latte and use Final Cut Pro. The second you try to open wireshark with sudo, the whole OS acts like you committed treason. You know who actually uses Mac for hacking? Almost nobody. The top bug bounty hunters? Linux. The elite CTF players? Linux. The red teamers doing shady stuff in nation-state simulations? Linux. In the CyberFlow Discord, it's 99% Linux users. The other 1% are trying to uninstall Mac ports without crying. And look, I get it. Macs are pretty. The UI is clean, the trackpad is magical, and yeah, they're perfect for sipping coffee in a WeWork and pretending you're coding something revolutionary. You can even open up Terminal and run Nmap once for the aesthetic, but try spoofing a packet, loading a custom driver, or spinning up a custom kernel module. Boom, kernel panic. Congrats, you're a digital minimalist now. The real issue isn't just that macOS limits you, it's that it fights you. You shouldn't have to convince your own machine to let you hack stuff. Your tools should get out of the way. When I'm deep in a reverse engineering spiral at 4 a.m., the last thing I want is a pop-up telling me, this app was downloaded from the internet. No kidding, Sherlock. That's the point. And that's really the mindset shift. Hackers use tools that don't resist them. That's why inside CyberFlow, we don't just teach you how to hack. We help you build setups that actually work for you. Distros, configs, tools, stuff you can depend on when your dopamine runs out and all you have left is caffeine and S-trace. So yeah, hackers don't use macOS. Not because we hate Apple, but because Apple's OS hates us. Smash like, drop a sub, and send this to the one Apple fanboy in your hacker group.